Welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the SPORE finance. What's the current price of SPORE? What's the price changes occurring in SPORE? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video, friends. So if you look at the currently latest price of market, so you can see here the price is still zero, friends. This does not mean that the price is exact zero. That's mean that the price is very low of the SPORE finance. Let me show you, friends, the price of the SPORE and the price chart, friends. Now on the other side, if you look, the price changes occurs in the SPORE finance. So you can see here from the previous last 1 week, the price of the SPORE is going down day by day, hour by hour. Absolutely, a lot of people also ask me this question that what should we do at this time. So finally, in this video, I have a good news for all SPORE holders. Keep watching, my friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart from Monetization, what's going at this time in the SPORE. You can see here from the previous last 1 month, that is the last 1 month price chart of the SPORE. You can see here in the start of month there is a jumps occur in the SPORE, but unfortunately after this jump the quick falls occurs in the SPORE, and now the SPORE finance is still falling down. So what's the reason behind it? And now the good news is that this time if we do a technical analysis on the basis of my personal research, my prediction about SPORE finance is 100% positive, and I believe that there is a big jump coming soon in the SPORE finance. After a few hours there is a big jump occurs in the SPORE finance. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Anyways, as I told you that I will show you, friends, the latest price of the SPORE. So you can see here that the price is very low. 0.00000001 USD dollar is the latest price of the SPORE and the market, friends. And now the big jump of the SPORE is coming soon, so that is why I recommend for everyone to please buy SPORE finance, friends. Anyways, if we look, the highest price change is occurred in the SPORE in the last 1 month, so 1095.24% price change is occurred in the SPORE. So now that is the good news for everyone. To now the big pump of the SPORE finance are coming soon, so wait for it and hold your SPORE coin with the last half this month, friends. It's not a time to sell because the previous last 1 month price change is negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.